Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out $100 giveaways if you like, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100, use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, Stream Coin. Okay, I need you guys to go ahead and hit the like button, smash the like button, matter of fact, and load it up with bullish comments down below. If you guys are new to the channel or don't know too much about StreamCoin, make sure you guys go watch the other videos I dropped on StreamCoin. I let you guys know about this one about a month ago. This is one of my money bag alerts. This one has a lot of potential, and I go way more in depth about StreamCoin and all the umbrella companies that StreamCoin basically has under it, okay? But right now, what we're gonna do is support StreamCoin and come over here and like and retweet everything, because I'm noticing a large push, right? We have 1 hour ago they're letting us know that on May 5th they're going to get listed on Bitwell, and then next we have another listing right here on May 6th. So something's definitely kicking up. This is listing on Hubie, and then we got another listing. This one will be on May 6th as well on Night Swap. So this is, you know, something's definitely ramping up. If you're part of this community, I want you guys to come to the official Twitter page. Make sure you guys do what I'm doing. You know, I'm leading by example. Make sure you guys like and retweet everything. This will help the Twitter algorithm. Make sure you're part of the stream coin and you're excited about this coin. And obviously the team is doing something on the marketing side very, very well. We have another, you know, May 5th listing. So this is going to be a very large push. We're going to see definitely a lot of eyes on this, on StreamCoin happening. Go ahead and leave some bullish comments down below. If you're part of my money bag alerts, you should definitely be pumped up, because I told you about this one, you know, about a month or so ago. If you're new to the channel, don't worry. Just tap in with me at CryptoRico9. That's my Telegram if you want to tap in on my money bag alerts. Like that, you don't miss out on a huge opportunity like this StreamCoin token that is obviously pushing on every swap. We got another listing on May 6th. This is JSwap.finance. Okay, so shout out to all these listings also for peeping what was good with StreamCoin, because StreamCoin's not going nowhere. Another one right here, StreamCoin will be on OpenSea. Okay, OpenSea.finance. So, or Open Ocean, I'm sorry. So used to playing on OpenSea. This is Open Ocean, but that's a very good name because it's catchy like that. I will give them that. And then we have another one right here. This is will be available on Polydeck. So that's epic right there. We should see a lot more. Let's come over here and support what the team is doing, because obviously the team is doing a very large push for all this marketing and on all these listings. So let's come over here, like and retweet everything, okay? I know the StreamCoin community is a lot bigger than this, so I'm challenging you guys to come over here and shill for your bag, okay? So we have another listing, as it was going to be available on Balancer. So another, you know, basically another listing. We have, look at this. This is a huge push. This is basically 2 hours ago. So, you know, this is fresh off the press. That is for sure. Make sure you guys do not miss out. The Crypto Rico channel is bringing it fresh off the press. So we're going to like and retweet everything. We got Mex Global. This is huge, okay? There's going to be a lot of eyes on this. We got Elk Finance, okay? So you guys got it where you can hear it first right here. What do we got right here, okay? Live Nation, okay, that's a promoted tweet. We have StreamCoin on Planet. This is huge. This is 11 hours ago. They're not playing. Something's going to happen. They didn't just put all this money up into this and not expect no money to come back. This is big. Please do not miss out on this. Let me know down in the comments what you guys like about StreamCoin. If you are part of this community, what you guys want to learn. Look at the other videos. I'm just coming over here. I want to see myself. You know, I'm fresh looking at all this right now. Look at this Jet Swap as well. This is another one, May 6th. So we have a lot of listings coming up. Shout out to StreamCoin. StreamCoin, if you guys need any help with me helping the community, getting some, you know, some content out there, definitely to help people out with some of these swaps or whatnot, this is just huge, because I know this is going to be big. And you know, I'm a streamer, and on the other videos I show you guys how there's going to be live streaming and a lot of different umbrella companies that comes with StreamCoin. So it's on Bakery Swap, it's on you name it, they're pushing it. It's about to go big. This is huge. This is one of the biggest pushes I've seen, like just one large push at once. This is pretty big. So they definitely got some funding to do this. I'm going to go ahead and get this video kicked off. I'm going to continue to like and retweet. This is the kind of numbers I want to see on the rest of them. This 226 for something. This is huge. We need to support the team and go ahead and push these numbers right up. All right. So continue to come back. Experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.